Hey everyone! In this quick Roblox Studio tip, I'll show you how to instantly disable all scripts inside an asset model, like a free supercar from the Toolbox. This is super useful when you want to prevent unknown scripts from running in your game. First, open Roblox Studio and go to the Toolbox. Search for a model from the asset store. Let's use a supercar as an example. Click it to insert the model into your game. You'll see it appear in the Workspace. Now head over to the Explorer panel and find the model you just inserted inside Workspace. Make sure you're selecting the top-level model folder, not just a single part. Right-click the model in Workspace. In the Context menu, click Disable Scripts. That's it. Roblox Studio will automatically disable every script, local script, and module script inside that model. This is a great safety step whenever you import free models. It helps you avoid unwanted behavior, backdoors, or lag caused by hidden scripts. If this quick tip helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials. See you in the next one.